Hi everybody. I'm going to show you our favorite project. It is QuickNotes. QuickNotes means that you will be able to add notes or annotations to specific events or communication displayed in your device. We have here a Windows Phone, an emulator, and I will launch our application. While launching the application, the first thing which is displayed is the timeline. And inside the timeline we have all the events which are showing our last communication, which in this case is each number. But if I define some contacts in my Windows Phone store, then I will see there the contacts by them. So we have currently numbers, and let's suppose that I'm getting a call from home, and my wife is asking from me for buy some things in the grocery, for example, milk, eggs, and meat. Okay, so I will take a piece of paper and I will start writing eggs, milks, meat, and other things that I cannot remember currently. This piece of paper is left in the table, and I'm going home. I'm driving, and I remember that I have to go to the supermarkets to buy some groceries. But the piece of paper was left in the table of the work. So in the same moment, I can try to remember, or even I can call to my wife and then try to restore the same list that was created before. So let's see how can we do it better. How can we do it using to go? Let's suppose that this is my last communication is the communication with my wife, and after our conversation, I want to add some annotations. Okay, so I will press to the event into the event, and I will start adding, for example, milk and eggs and meat. Okay, fine. So by pressing attach, three things will occur. The first, this node will be saved locally, and then the event will display a new icon saying that you have a quick note there. The second is the BE service will save into the communication table an URL and a brief description of the node, saying where it is saved in the cloud. And the third thing is the fact that we are saving the same node in the cloud for even check it, modifying it, or even searching. Behind our emulator, I have the simplenode.com site open. It is a provider that is providing node-based interfaces. For example, adding a node, getting a node, and even searching text. Sorry. So by attaching it, the new icon displayed here, and a new node was created in the site as well. So the added value of saving it into the cloud is the fact that another people can see them and even modify them. For example, if my wife again call and I'm driving home and I cannot in the same moment add a new annotation to my last communication, she will be able to do it by accessing uh, the site itself and modifying the list. For example, I know a chicken, okay? And by this way, my my device will receive a push notification, and the same list will be updated as well there. Because this is a demo only, this exactly feature was not implemented yet. We will see the same note, but in the future it will be possible. Another interesting thing is the fact that I can filter those events that has currently nodes. For example, if this one I'm attaching a new node, attaching, we will see that in the site was created as well. I can press this incredible button which was designed with the last technology, and we can see only the events that are with quick notes composed only. Okay, so the quick note. After that, we can modify the note. A new note will be created here, and by this way we will be able to save annotations that we want per contact in our timeline, which is very useful. So another feature that could be developed here are the capabilities of searching text. For example, you can search a text with all the quick notes that are defined in your timeline. All your devices will be synchronized as well, because the BE is aware of what is going on, and then after getting the communication history updates, you will receive as well the list of all the quick notes attached to some number. And of course, you will be able as well to search text between all the contacts, and even attaching the same note for more than one contact. For example, the case is that you are getting a call, and this call is causing another call and another call. You want to concentrate all your important notes, all your important reminders in one quick note, which is related to each contact. So the most important, the main feature here is the context that each quick note is getting. So that is the feature. I think it's very useful. So I hope to develop it into the near version of To Go. Thank you very much.